بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you why you have to buy the drawing style that I made. As we know, after making drawings, after finishing the models, the most important process is to make drawings in a way that it should be everything is clear, to take the drawings to a workshop to work on it. There are many styles or many drawing styles exist in advanced steel. By default, you can choose whatever you want. For example, if we close this one for now, you can select whatever you want for jet drawing or elevations or engineering like this one, or assembly or single part drawing. For example, if we take this one column, this column, to take the drawings, and we see the drawings, and after that I will show you let me open this one first. After that I will show you between this one and with mine. Let's change to 120 just to be a little bit smaller. As you see, we have this assembly drawing. It consists of the plates, and as you see, this is the by default with advanced steel, and this is the numbers that we have. Everything is clear, I think. But let me show you by my style that which I made. First, I want to show only this assembly from here. Only this assembly. After that, I will take this assembly and make a drawing with the style that I made before. Use OK. And I open this one. You see, here we have assembly drawing. Okay, we have assembly drawing. We have a 3D view. We have a section from here. We have a section from here. We have single part. We have plates also. If you look at these two, there's a huge difference. A huge difference between these two things, these two drawings. That's why I know what you need on site or on where to make workshop to make drawings, and what you need on in a workshop, which type of drawings you need. That's why I made by this way. After that, we can just move it a little bit here, this one, and this one also. We can move it in this direction. We can move this one in this direction. After that, we have a cleanup process. We have many things that we have to make, but the main difference between my style and other styles that here I have single part, assembly part, and also plates. Also, I have plates. I have plates also. So let me move these two plates to the top, and we see. Okay, so we have single part, assembly part, and plates also. Single part, even in single part, we have two dimensions. We have the relative and absolute dimensions. We have two dimensions here, relative and absolute dimensions. As we said, we have a cleanup process after making drawings. So we can just move it like this and make this one like this. As you see, this one we can bring it a little bit here, so we can take or make a professional drawing from here. We have the dimensions of the holes from X and Y directions. we have everything. Here we have the type of the section, which is IP300. The quantity we have 3. We have the assembly number, which is 3, and the scale we have 1 to 50. This is the scale of the drawing. Again, after that we have for plates, we have the center of the points of the plates, and we have the total dimension of the plates. On assembly drawing, we have this one. We can just move this one a little bit to the right side. Yeah, we have a isometric view, which is a 3D view, and we have plates or a section from here, this side, and section from this side. We have top and top view and bottom view. We can just delete some of the extra dimensions that we have, like this. As you see, we can just arrange a little bit dimensions so as to be more professional. And as you see here we have this thing. Except on the drawing, guess what we have? We have here we have assembly name of the assembly name. I have assembly name here. I can put the project name here, the client, the designer, the detailer, and the scale. We have 2 scales, the date and the materials that use it. Again, we have another thing, which is the list, bill of quantity. This is the bill of quantity. This is the types that used here for this assembly, and the assembly mark is 3, and the quantity is 8. We have all the lengths, materials, area, and weight. Area for painting, and the weight for knowing the weights. As you see here, this is the a very good style that you can use it whatever you want. And even the dimension lines, we changed the dimension lines, the color of the dimension lines, and the color of the color of the dimensions, and the color of the dimension lines, and the type of the dimensions lines is here. We changed everything, and we prepared a full thing or a full drawing. And this drawing is a very professional that exists, contain everything that you need. However, it needs some cleanup process, and it's very easy. You can do it by cleaning or by deleting some dimensions, or by adding some other dimensions if you want. So this is the drawing style that I made. If you like, you can buy it. It's only for $150, $150, and even I show you how you can install it on your computer. It's very easy. It's not only drawing style. It contains some other files, AutoCAD files that you need for arranging the drawing style in advanced style folder. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.